Okay, so here's question number 24. Determine the value of k so that the line through the points 0, 4 and k minus 2, 6 has x-intercept k. So here we have the point 0, 4, well actually no, it's 0, 4, k minus 2, 6, and then you also have x-intercept k. Now an x-intercept on a graph would look something like this, where your point is somewhere on the x-axis, so x and y. This means that your x-intercept will always have the y value of 0. So y will always equal 0 whenever you have an x-intercept. So here, that means that x-intercept k would also, or can also be rewritten as k comma 0, with k being our x value, and then 0 being our y value. Alright, let me erase all this. Okay, so now let me write down our 3 points. We have the points 0, 4, k minus 2, 6, and then we also have k minus 0. There's just that big space, but it's okay. Alright, now the first thing you want to do is find the slope between any 2 points. So first, I'm going to find the slope between 0, 4 and k minus 2, 6. So the slope between 0, 4 and k minus 2, comma 6. And to find the slope, you're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now it doesn't matter what you choose for your x1 or y1 or whatever, but you just have to keep it consistent. So here I'm gonna say that 0, this is going to be our x1, and then 4 will be our y1, and then for our second point, k minus 2 will be our x2, and then 6 will be our y2. And let's plug that in. Y2 is 6 minus y1, which is 4, over x2, which is k minus 2, minus x1, which is 0. And then let's simplify this. 6 minus 4 is 0. And then negative 2 minus 0 is just negative 2. So it'll just be k minus 2 because really that 0 means nothing. So the slope of these 2 points, 0, 4 and k minus 2, 6, is going to be 2 over k minus 2. Now we want to find the slope between another 2 points. So that means you can find the slope between 0, 4 and k 0. Or that could also mean you can find the slope between k minus 2 and k minus 2, 6 and k 0. I'm gonna just do 0, 4 because I don't want to do k minus 2 again because it looks weird. I don't like, it looks a little funny. Anyways, so we'll have the slope. I'm gonna just write it to the side here. So I have the slope of 0, 4 and k 0. Wait, what color did I use? I don't even remember. Okay. Okay, so once again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'll choose 0 to be our x1 again, and 4 will be our y1, and then k will be our x2, and 0 will be our y2. And now let's plug that in. Hold on, I'm gonna just move all the way to the side here. Ignore that. Anyways, we'll have y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 4, over x2, which is k, minus x1, which is 0. Let's simplify that. 0 minus 4 is negative 4, and k minus 0 is k. So now the slope between these 2 points, 0, 4 and k 0, is going to be negative 4k. Now the thing is, all 3 of these points are on the same line. So that means that they'll have the same slope. Now now what that means, if they have the same slope, is that this slope right here, 2 over k minus 2, will be equal to this slope right here, negative 4 over k. And that means you can just put them equal to each other. So 2 over k minus 2 is equal to negative 4 over k. And now you can just solve for k by cross multiplying. So 2 times k, that's just going to be 2k. And negative 4 times k minus 2, negative 4 times k minus 2. We have to distribute it. So negative 4 times k is negative 4k. And then -4 times -2. A negative times a negative is positive, and 4 times 2 is 8, so that will be +8. Then we want to get all the k on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So I'm gonna add, hold on, I like changing colors. Wait, I'm the galaxy. Okay, so I'm gonna add 4k here so we can cancel this out. And then of course you have to do the same on the other side. So now we'll have 2k plus 4k, which is 6k, is equal to 8. And then to get k by itself, we'll have to divide by 6 on both sides. This one cancels out. That didn't, okay, that cancels out. So now we get that k is equal to x 8 over 6, and this can be simplified down into 4 over 3. So our answer would be k equals 4 over 3.